Welcome to Memory Medallion. In this video, we are going to discuss how to edit your Medallion story. To get started, go to our website at www.memorymedallion.com and log into your account. Once you've logged in, you'll see a list of all of your memory medallions, and you can simply click the edit button next to the one you'd like to start the story for. You can add text, web links, photographs, and videos. Help boxes with detailed descriptions and ideas are located on the website to assist you. The opening page lets you select which page visitors will see first when they read the memory medallion. It can be open to the personalized story, the images, or the videos. There's one title and two subtitle fields available to give you the opportunity to introduce your medallion in a unique and personal way. Next is our story box. Our text editor provides the typical tools of a word processor to allow you to build a story that can be organized in many different ways. Flowing narrative, bullet-pointed memories, centered poems, or quotes and tributes from friends, separated with italics and bold fonts. Up next are three optional fields which you can use to link to outside sites. If you have a link to family history at familysearch.org or another genealogy-based website, we encourage you to insert it into our family history field. Take this opportunity to share not only who this person was to your immediate family, but also where they belong in your extended family and community. If you are new to genealogy, you will find free tools on websites such as familysearch.org to help you get started. Similar connections to additional text or formatted information are perfect for our storybook link field. If you've already written your family history book or are a digital scrapbooker, just provide a link to your project online. HTML or PDF files are both acceptable, and Medallion viewers will get to see your work too. Our final link field is the personal field, which you can use to link to websites that you've created or that add meaning to the story of your subject. This is the perfect place to connect blogs, Facebook pages, military, church, school, or other websites. The memory medallion can be a wonderful photo album as well. Just click Add Images so that you can browse your computer, locate the images you wish to upload, add captions, and then organize the photos to create an incredible visual of memories. Finally, add up to 5 video links. Upload your footage to youtube.com and then here plug in the links, titles, and descriptions for display on your memory medallion. Be sure that your viewing settings on YouTube are set to either public or unlisted so that we can display them here. Located at the bottom of the profile are the controls to save and preview, publish, or cancel your changes. You can save your changes as you progress and preview your story as it will look when the memory medallion is read. One important thing to remember is that you can log into your account as often as you need to add to or to edit this information. When you are satisfied with your preview, you can click the Publish button to make the story public so that your memory medallion will actively connect to the story that you've created. You can log back into, edit, and republish the story at any time. Every time you publish, the memory medallion will be instantly updated wherever it is located. We hope that creating the memory medallion story is a positive and meaningful experience for you. If you require further assistance, more information can be found in the support and FAQ sections of our website. You are also welcome to contact us with any questions. We will be happy to assist you. We hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for choosing Memory Medallion.